Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, share and subscribe. Now after being seen on social media sending a very serious message to some of his close associates, Clarendon detectives assigned to the Criminal Investigation Branch, the CIB, has named one already as wanted for numerous crimes across the division, and he's also being considered as armed and a threat to residents and lawmen in the area. I'm going to hear what and they will continue the reason. Look and listen.
Alright. We want to back the blog of what about me and the most wanted from Clarendon. Wanted long time. But get this blood class straight. Ask every chopper down there. None of them reach out me. Me a millionaire from 7 years ago. I'm even become a batty man for the money. I know my fans supposed to super rich at me. Me what you see here, worth over $1.5 million US. And every one of them, none of them in the league. My own house a Birmingham where I never sleep in a second mother. And $50 million I spend on speed of God and the one of my killers them from 2000 bomber clock 17 to 2022. No more dead and God left me. I say alone me and my mother now. And my friend them, me teach them a game. Me kill for them, rough for them, turn them into Somali. And now, me come out, me tell them, Kawa, me want to tell them my money free. But you know what I'm telling them, my business pussy. You don't know my money free, I'm telling you. Why don't you know? Because you know me come in and I carry $1 million. And me, I the blood clot man. But what could I achieve? 4 or 5 million back. And I get dirty stinking junker. Don't blood can't put me no. Any of them knows blogger say I'm going to kill him now, no. Tell me your name, blogger boy. If you name blood clot Sir P, don't talk about me. Because Sir P always get him facts blood clot right. That's why every real murder respect Sir P. Hey, I'm going to have a bomb buckler fuck. Hey, don't let me show you where my face no pussy. You know what I'm Me don't want a weak blood clot vlogger boy go talk about me now. We don't look a small facts now. Ask the police about me a pen now. Ask them. I want more can feed police. I tell me spend my money now. I'm going to work my phone now. Because I get paranoid and I'm soon dead. So I left my money now and stop spending. Because I want to tell them to give me $2 to them. Come and carry the money, come give me. I only remember buy cheap AK dog. Come in and visit me link speed. And J cool them on him now. And you know introduce me to them and I made that. You know when the speeder to all my bill youth. And I look for food boy. When you make money, I say, yo, buy. You see me have much car already. I say, pussy buy gun. Before man box of years. Vlogger boy, you talk about me a chat. Why you think they can't answer? Call me LMV2 and different apart from everything them know me a murderer youth. Ask me ugly man and father about me. Me kill more than 100 people. Police are nothing to me. Yes, they can't find me, they can't touch me. Last time they gave me a bail and video call the police and said, read me before me done bail. Alright, since I say I go on, I kill 10 police. I 3 AK me buy, brother. Bulletproof vest. Me have 300 rounds for each gun. Battery vlogger boy. I'm there, sir. You see how rapper? I think them post. And then post them junko. Hey, let me tell you blood clot now. I mean them killing them bomb buckler kill. All night me and I come to gym. Many like young Sam. 1 4F. Go watch you one boy. And stop fucking go watch you one. Learn that. The laughing people. Listen. Ask the police and why they look for me. 2 of my friends stress me out. Me go up on my yard. Go chop up my auntie. Chop up my husband. And chop up my son. Me alone. I'm in a take coke. I'm in a take pill. All the thing with a bun cigarette and drink water. Some of the drugs. Just don't want. Hey, let me tell you that straight. Tonight I come kill 3 man. In a, hey, don't ramp him in a back, brother. I never want them to kill out already, I don't know, you know. Hey, remember this street. This is in the rampant blood clot, man. Elevator. Walk with 20 guns, me I kill you, shoot up a vehicle and set them out. No little chip black can ramp with me. Chip. The one of my gun in my full iron. You know what is an AK? AK flick. And tear up your blood clot BMW and tear up your ass and say when you come from me, bring soldier when you can't manage me. When you look at 16 light. Yes, you come from me, what do you want me do? I disappear, none of them see what I done. I just me 2 killer when I see. And my 2 killer disappear. And I see they could eat that one in the wall. But you know kill family. That's what for me. And kill my cousin. Boy come tell me say, him not kill the bomb buckler family and the film family. That means he never kill nobody. Cause anybody kill a life after this my family. Where's your father? Me pull out my gun and take out my blood clot and start chat them. Me kill the husband and sleep now. When my auntie flap them, hold him and chop him a million times now. I'm a this blood clot. I'm this Robin, my uncle. The reason me hug up and say, oh, me not kill her tonight. I become me special way of killing a blood clot.
And you hear me call the dog. Bad man, me a call you and answer the phone dog. I say, sleep at night time, brother. Dog, from I left out of your place, and he will call back my bad man. Charge it. I tell this to my father. This me and get in dog, especially my friend them, you hear that? Charge him, tell this dog. Me get mad, nice blood clot, you go see me on the news. Any I same time, you see me get mad out and I come on the news, my father, everyone of my friends have to go run, you hear that? I'm going to take it as a threat or anything I want to take it from dog. I don't expect fool like couldn't cheat me, so dog. Get me, I say, I spend my money around on and do everything on dog. Charge me, tell you, I come from my life if I ever. Anyone see me car pull up on a run. Clarendon most wanted at me that right now, yeah. Charge me, tell you, dog. See, all I'm friend of me that say, I'm town man, I call it today. I never expect you to cheat me, say, no town man, all what I go on now. Me never expect you to cheat me, say, yeah. I see I road with all your friends of me, I never hear you call me and introduce me to none of them, you know. Tell them, say, you got this and them sitting there and tell you. But what's that? They better kill me anyway. Put in your cup and get in the guts up. My father, right now, I drive and kill out the whole of my friend in my Clarendon. I mean to me. From my wife dead, me I suffer, you hear that? I mean, I want to beg you nothing bumbo, but I just asking and done, you hear that?
Now, the CIB has stated that he is to report to the Maypen CIB by 6 p.m. Meanwhile, they're asking anyone in the public with any information to assist them. Not just as many as stated. The videos seen on social media were indeed very serious and very real. And one another also explained the situation, saying that after spending millions on associates, he feels betrayed. He also stated in the video that he was known to law enforcement, to which law enforcement has confirmed that he is indeed a person of interest in numerous crimes and has now been moved to wanted. And maybe that is why he pointed out in the video he was richer than most individuals that people consider as rich in the parish, because his focus on his aim was money. And as law enforcement stated, he was a man named on the person of interest list and is now wanted. Now in the video he also mentioned or made mention of crimes. And I guess now this article and this police report has confirmed what most people were asking. Is law enforcement taking this serious? Well, of course law enforcement is taking this serious. For those not in the know, there is a cyber division of law enforcement. Everything where take place on the media, law enforcement pay attention to. So when an individual is seen on social media and the video starts to get popular and circulate, and of course the individual with weapons and make statement about things, of course law enforcement are going to look into it. And based on this statement alone, and when law enforcement I say, this could turn into a feud within the parish or within the divisions in which this individual frequents. And as he has already pointed out, if them now push out the money, as he must have spend millions on them, teach them the game, and now them make millions. Now, if you're new to the channel as I pass through, well, click the subscribe icon and of course then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. And if you're new to the channel, the comment section open 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can contain the reason via the comment section. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, of course, for you to live, love, and for you to prosper. Until the reason again, stay tuned.